we're going to go over lesson 1.09. Solve for x. So when we're going to solve this, we're going to cross multiply. So 5x times 4 gives me 20x, which is equal to negative 2 times negative 20 is a positive 40. And then we'll solve this just by dividing. So x here is 2. Let's look at number 2. We're going to solve for x. So I'm doing 2 times x plus 1. And I'm going to write this out so that I don't make any mistakes when I distribute. And then 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. So here I can either distribute or I can divide by that number out front. It's probably easier to divide by the number out front if you have the ability to do that. If not, you can certainly distribute. And then I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. So in this case, x is negative 10. Let's go ahead and look at number 3. Solve for x. So 1/2 times x, so 1/2 x is equal to, I'm going to write this out, so 2/3 times 1/8. Let's go ahead and simplify that right side. So 2/3 times 1/8, I can cross cancel. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this becomes 1/12. And then to get rid of that fraction in front of x, that 1/2, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. So times 2/1 times 2/1. On this side, these will cancel. So I wind up with x equals, and then I can cross cancel here. And this is going to give me 1 times 1 is 1. 6 times 1 is 6. So my value of x is 1/6. Let's look at number 4. So do the same thing. So I wind up with 6.8 times x minus 2.3 is equal to 3.4 times 9.1. I'm going to go ahead and simplify the right side. I'm just going to keep the left side the same for now. We're going to go ahead and simplify the other side. So we're doing that 3.4 times 9.1. And that's going to give us 30.94. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 6.8 to go ahead and cancel that out. So leaves me with x minus 2.3 on this side. And on the other side, we're going to go ahead and do that division. And that's going to give us 4.55. Now all that's left to do is add the 2.3. So that gives us x is equal to 6.85. Okay, let's go on to our last one. Solve for x. Okay, so I'm doing 5 times 9.1x is equal to 7 times 1.3. So we're going to go ahead and multiply out both sides. So 5 times 9.1 gives us 45.5. So on this side I have 45.5x is equal to, and then we'll do that 7 times 1.3, which gives us 9.1. All that's left to do is perform our division. So we'll divide both sides by 45.5. So 9.1 divided by 45.5 is going to give us 0.2 for our final answer. All right, if you have any questions about this lesson, please let me know.